Sometimes you gotta just do commercials about nothing at all. No background music, no beers, no Lincolns, and for crying out loud, no flying monkeys. I think it's something about going not backwards or forwards. You're definitely not going sideways. I know for a fact that I'm not moving anywhere. You may think it's impossible to go nowhere, but you can.